अगर आपका गलत पाया गया तो यहाँ से जेल भेजेंगे आपको, स्टेटमेंट, ये याद रखिएगा। हैवी पेनल्टी फॉर मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन बिफोर द कोर्ट, बता दीजिएगा 1 लाख रुपए पेनल्टी लगेगी, एक बार फिर सोच लें। यहाँ झूठ बोलना बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा आपको, अगर जूनियर को भेजिएगा, अगर उतना ही देखना है, अगर होगा दस्तावेज आपकी पिटीशन अलाउ हो जाएगी, नहीं होगा तो कॉस्ट लगा के खारिज हो जाएगी, उसमें आप क्या करेंगे अब?
Well, there's got a checkered history, my lord, because as far as the matter is concerned, it was decided on merits and the petition was dismissed. Thereafter, when writ appeal was filed, while the senior advocate was arguing the matter came up that two documents were not filed by the then advocate. Therefore, review petition was sought for, and thereafter, review petition was allowed by this honorable court. So, I would like to read the order of the review petition, my lord. Because in the last order sheet, my lords have called for the entire record of writ appeal as well as writ petition. This is order dated 2/12/2021, my lord, in review petition number 1839 of 2019.
Just a minute. Ji.
So, my lord, if my lord will just see my rejoinder.
Order is annexure.
My lord, this order is filed with the rejoinder. It is P14, page 11.
Ji.
It reads as follows. This is a review petition of order dated 3/8/2018, passed in WP number so and so. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the petitioner had preferred WA. The said WA was withdrawn with the liberty to file a review of the present order dated so and so, and the writ appeal was disposed of with the aforesaid liberty. Thereafter, the present review petition was filed. Learned counsel for the petitioner that there is an error apparent on the face of the record due to the mistake of the previous counsel. The CP certificate issued prior to the cutoff date, that is 15/9/2017, could not be filed, and therefore in writ petition was dismissed on the ground that the petitioner did not submit the CPCT certificate, which the minimum qualification on the last date of filling of the form. It is further submitted that which was filed before the court was of the subsequent attempt made by the applicant in CPCT examination to increase percentage, but the applicant was already having CPCT certificate prior to the cutoff date. The aforesaid facts are not disputed by the counsel by the respondents. In view of the aforesaid, I am of the view that there is an error apparent on the face of the record, and therefore the order sought to be reviewed dated so and so and is recalled, and a writ petition is restored for hearing. Now, my lord, just see, my lord, annexure P13, P12 and P13, the order sheets, which speaks for itself. P12, page 9, it says, Shri so and so heard on admission. Learned senior counsel has drawn our attention towards the documents at page number 69 and 70 and submitted that much prior to 15/9/2017, the appellant had passed computer proficiency certificate test, and thereafter he again appeared in the aforesaid examination to secure better marks. But the fact was not considered before passing the impugned order. And therefore, my lords, and page number 10, P13, again, my lords have said in writ appeal, the learned counsel for the appellant prays for and is granted time to seek instruction in respect of
की बातें हैं ना, तो जब आपका रिव्यू अलाउ हो गया,
so my lord, the entire thing prevails.
Had you produced that mark sheet along with your application form? Now that is the crux of the matter.
Yes, my lord.
Whether you had supplied this mark sheet along with your application form, or did you produce it at the time of the document verification? Please come to annexure P10.
P10, my lord. That is the only document which. If P11 is a document.
P10 पढ़िएगा पहले, उसके बाद आपकी बात.
P10 with WP, my lord.
जी.
उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत लेख है कि आपका चयन श्री लेखक एवं सहायक उप भर्ती में 2017 में सहायक उप निरीक्षक के पद पर हुआ था। अतः भर्ती प्रक्रिया के नियमानुसार नियुक्ति आदेश जारी करने के पूर्व दिनांक 26/2/2018 को पुलिस मुख्यालय भोपाल में दस्तावेज परीक्षण किया गया, जिसमें पाया गया
कि पूर्व दस्तावेज जिसमें पाया गया कि आपके द्वारा आवेदन भरने की अंतिम दिनांक तक का स्कोर कार्ड नहीं है. Now you are required to show you may possess any qualification that you had supplied that document along with your application form and still it was not considered.
That's a specific query of my lord, that whether I have given that or
Yes.
whether you are having it, it's
Different
already
thing.
in P11.
Huh.
But whether I have submitted or not,
Yes.
my lord, that specific query I have to
नहीं,
either my lord may take it after lunch, because my client is present, my lord. I have to ask that thing.
बुलाइए, call him. वो तो यहाँ से हम बुलवा लेंगे, फॉर्म वेरीफाई हो जाएगा.
That's the root of the matter, my lord. That's the root.
आप दाएं करने से यहाँ काम नहीं चलेगा.
No, I'm not doing
नहीं,
that. I'm not doing that.
आप तो you should have straightforward come to this instead.
ये वहाँ सबमिट किया था.
चलिए, देखिए, अगर आपका गलत पाया गया तो यहाँ से जेल भेजेंगे आपको. स्टेटमेंट ये याद रखिएगा. देखिएगा, copy of the application form as was submitted by petitioner Ritesh Costa, who is present in person along with his counsel Shri Aditya Sangi, we called for, in as much as in the light of annexure P10 dated 25/6/2018, wherein it is mentioned that petitioner had not enclosed copy of the scorecard for qualifying CPCT exam, submits that he had submitted that application, that certificate along with his application form. Full stop. It is next para. It is made clear that if the certificate is found to be enclosed with the application form, then consequences will follow. And if it is found that it was not attached, then petitioner will be liable to face not only dismissal of petition, but heavy penalty for misrepresentation before the court. बता दीजिएगा 1 लाख रुपए पेनल्टी लगेगी, एक बार फिर सोच लें. यहाँ झूठ बोलना बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा आपको.
He has got no doubt, my lord, he is saying to me.
हाँ ठीक है, he has no doubt. Then
if my lord may record this statement also, my lord, he has got no doubt.
नहीं, why should I record it? देखिएगा, let original record of the original record along with the application form as was filled by the petitioner for selection be called for. ये क्या व्यापम के थ्रू हुआ होगा ना? रिक्रूटमेंट तो एप्लीकेशन तो व्यापम में जमा की होगी आपने, है? जी हाँ. Be called for through the AIG within bracket karmic for additional Director General of Police Administration to the authority where the form was deposited. Within 7 days, list this case on 23 January 2024.
Madam, 23 I am adjusted, my lord. Can it be after 26 months? Any date?
नहीं, आप
Any date after 26?
जूनियर को भेजिएगा ना, उतना ही तो देखना है.
My lord,
अगर जूनियर को भेजिएगा, अगर उतना ही देखना है, अगर होगा दस्तावेज आपकी पिटीशन अलाउ हो जाएगी, नहीं होगा तो कॉस्ट लगा के खारिज हो जाएगी. उसमें आप क्या करेंगे अब?
oblige.